Hello everyone, welcome to Design Fun. This is Michelle. Today I am coming back with another video continuing on my total home makeover, starting with all of my bathrooms. So this is the water closet or the toilet room off of the master bathroom. I know a lot of people have this little room and it's like, well, what do I do with that? So I'm going to be showing you what I did with mine today. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. Guys, if you like home decor, decorating, or if you're just trying to turn your house into a home, go ahead and click the subscribe button because that's what this channel is all about and I don't want you to miss out. So yes guys, the flooring I'm not going to change yet, but I do have a plan to change it later on within this year, and when I do, I will come back and show you. I will also come back and show you the light fixture that I have in mind. So the first thing I'm going to do is put up some shelves, some wall shelves. So I'm going to be using that bracket set, and then I'm also going to be putting up some wallpaper. This Origin 21 wallpaper is excellent quality. It is from the Home Depot. I'll put the links to the brackets and the wallpaper in the description box if anybody is interested. I believe the brackets were $12 for two and the wallpaper was $40. So I'll give you a closer look at the wallpaper in a second. It's a pretty kind of gold shimmer in the wallpaper. It's not too overly done, it's just right, and it's got a nice modern design to it. So once I put it up, I'll show you in a second. Okay, the next thing that I'm doing is I'm making my shelves. So I went to Home Depot and I got some wood and I had them cut it down. This is from a previous bathroom video that I did, but I followed the exact same steps. After they cut it down, I used my sander to just smooth out the edges of the wood. Super simple and fast. Once I did that, I took this white Waverly paint from Walmart and just a regular paintbrush, and I just put 2 coats of the white paint, and then I went over it with 1 coat of clear acrylic, and that was it. I let it dry for, I let it dry overnight, and then I was able to use it after that. Super simple and much more affordable than buying 2 wood shelves. So I'm going to give you a closer look at what the wallpaper looks on how the wallpaper looks on the wall. I only had to use 1 roll. This 1 roll was able to cover the entire back wall. So I love the way this looks, and this is how it looks with the shelves installed. You can see those are the brackets right there, nice and modern, but they do have some shimmer which brings in a little bit of glam. Now I'll show you how I decorated the space. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love the way this came out. I love everything about it. It's more interesting, having some decor pieces and some wall art. I put in a rug and a matching trash can. So just take a look. If you have any questions about anything that you're seeing, definitely let me know in the comments. And guys, I am taking orders again on my website for e-designs. So if you're having trouble decorating a room in your home and you need my help, stay tuned to the end of the video because I'll tell you all about how I can help you decorate your room online. You don't have to come to my house. I don't have to come to your house. We can do it all on the web. So check out the end of the video and I'll have the link in the description box. So everything on the shelves, guys, is either from Burlington or HomeGoods. The leopard print boxes are from HomeGoods. The plant is from Burlington. The candles are from Burlington. The little hello sign is from Burlington. Everything was really affordable. I think the boxes were the most expensive thing. I think they were like, one was $20 and one was like $25. The plant up there with the black and white vase, that's from Burlington. The picture and the yoga lady, all from Burlington. And let me see if I left the price on this. No, I took it off, but I think it was like $6. So definitely check out Burlington for those great deals on home decor. This beautiful piece right here is from Ross, and it was $19.99. The trash can is also from Ross. I believe it was $11.99. So I absolutely love the way this space came out. If you're having trouble decorating your toilet room or a small bathroom, drop it in the comments. Let's talk about it. Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Welcome to Design Fun. Today, I'm going to tell you about my e-designs that I'm now offering on my website. If you are struggling to decorate a room or finish decorating a room, or if you're just trying to turn your house into a home, I'd love to help you design and decorate your space. The e-designs are super affordable and very easy. You will get a full 3D design of your room, as well as home decor suggestions, furniture suggestions, and I can also do color schemes if you don't already have one. Now, to get an e-design, it's an easy 3-step process. First, you will fill out the form on the website. Step 2, you will upload your pictures of your space. And step 3 is just wait to receive your 3D e-design within 7 business days. So head over to the website so you can get started with your first e-design today.